Hey guys, I'm standing in a pile of Mayapples. It's a pretty common thing around my area. This is southern West Virginia. But I'll show you here why they call them a Mayapple. You see that little thing it's getting on there? It gets much larger than that. It can. But that's why it's called a Mayapple. Something a lot of people don't know about these is supposedly one of the compounds that they use to make chemotherapy to cure cancer is made from these plants right here. Mayapple. It's a pretty cool little fact that a lot of people don't know. That just shows you that nature is the real medicine.